Me and my boy Max here, after having a bunch of ice cream and cake and stuff, we're actually going to go and go for a little bit of a hike. We're here at the Ijams Nature Park. For those of you who don't know where Ijams Nature Park is, this is it right here. It's actually an old quarry that was dug out, and it actually flooded. They had a natural spring, and it is pretty huge. This is probably a quarter of it. I don't know if you can see it way up there. That right there is about 130 feet up. That's where me and Max are going to be hitting it here in just a second. Let's go for a little bit of a walk. Alright, this is going to be the Thwart Trace. It's going to be 1.1 miles all the way around. It's going to be a whole loop. It's going to go all the way around this area. I mean, you can see we're going to be going straight up here in a minute, all the way around. So, let's get this party started. Man, they put in new swimming areas. People enjoying the kayaking weather. I mean, it's a beautiful day out here. I mean, we have just now getting started. It was what, 66 degrees in the car? So beautiful day to be out. This is actually on two sides of the road. There's one over there, but we're actually just going to walk this pike. Just to get a little bit of exercise. You don't have to stay behind me if you want to speed up. Right there, water's coming in to the quarry.
I was gonna see the camera. I don't think this camera can see it.
Yeah, I can see it. Yeah, they saw it. As you can tell, this thing's pretty huge. I do not know the size of it. It is quite a few acres. Big. And we are right next to a 2-lane highway, so you'll see people coming and going. A lot of people out today enjoying it. Alright, I know a camera really flattens things out, but you can see that's about 130 feet up that cliff there. This is the path going up it, and it's at a good 30 degrees. No, probably more like 20 degrees straight up. So this might take a minute, and to keep from y'all hearing all my huffing and puffing, cue the music. back in my younger and dumber days, before this was a park, we used to come up here and go swimming, and it was pretty dangerous. So you can see we've come quite a distance up. We're almost at the top. There's a cemetery up here.
Looks like we're now here.
We've reached a quarter of a mile.
Don't know if y'all can see that town.
I can see it. That's Knoxville. Whew. We just came probably half a mile, and we came to that spot right there. Now again, we're about 130 feet up.
It's a long ways down.
It's a long way down.
You can see the mountains over there.
Hang on, I'll wait for it to slow down.
Oh, time to go back up a hill.
At least this one's got stairs.
Yeah. You're doing leg day again.
Yeah, that's a bad leg day. Eventually, this thing's got to start going back downhill.
Mm-hmm. grew on a rock. That's
A tree that grow in a rock.
That's why rock can't beat paper. Look at that big old tree. There could be ants living in there. There's a woodpecker up there.
Where?
Right in that tree.
You see it?
Yeah.
You can hear it.
Uh-huh. You can hear it. See?
Oh, I see him now.
Yeah. It's kind of camouflaged. That's cool.
I think it's the
It's a blackish brown.
it's a red-headed woodpecker.
So you can see the bottom, the bottom of the tree. Follow it all the way up.
About 3/4 of the way up.
Yeah.
Very cool. Woodpecker.
Now we're going downhill.
About time. Whew.
Now that's just a trick to go back up. Sounds like a helicopter.
Beautiful blue mountains. Another 60 foot down. Whoa.
I'm glad we took the other way.
No doubt. Well, no, there's stairs here.
Yeah.
Get down there and take pictures of the stairs up. Now come up towards me. Just to kind of give you a perspective, Max just walked maybe 10 steps down, and I'm probably 14 foot above his head. This is a steep, steep walk.
Can we really call the other people smart that passed us?
Maybe.
Right down there. You can hear everything. That's a pretty big birdhouse.
Bat.
Sure, there's a hole in the front.
The hole in the front, yeah, it's a birdhouse. No, somebody over there, but it's a bat house.
Okay.
The Boy Scouts are putting up bat house. There's battery left.
Battery? Still a quarter.
Just a quarter left.
If you look at it, we probably got.
If you'll stop, I can catch up and see.
We got plenty. We got
half. Okay.
a little bit more.
Okay. We were just up there. Up that ravine.
And it goes down.
Way down. But that's where he took a picture of that ravine when I said it was 60 foot down. Whew. It's a steep, guys. Very, 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 very steep.
On one hand, I'd go sledding here. On the other hand, no. Now this thing fell this way. It's a pretty big tree.
Probably 80 feet.
If it fell down in the middle of the day in summer and someone was like right near it, they would have heard a thud. A little bit off the beaten path. Oh, why didn't I go this way? Where there is a beaten path.
the side that as we were kids we would jump off of. You can look down there, and there's another flat spot, and then there's a little ledge that goes off there. It's about 12 feet down. We used to jump off of that into the water. There were some guys, that part that we were up there, when we were way up there, that's all jump from there. Many of folks have lost their lives jumping into this quarry. But we saw it from the other side. This is from this side. Didn't know you could brew a beer out in Knox County, but apparently you can.
Next time I'll bring the dogs.
All right. Where did we just walk? Yep, Mead's Quarry. We just did this one here at 1.1 miles, and you can see all these other ones that are around. It's going to be a long summer, and I don't know how much we're going to be able to get out this summer. Right here's the board. We actually videotaped the whole trail, that whole 1.1 miles. Guys, comment down below. See what trail you want us to do next. I think me and Mike, we're going to call this the Epic Adventure Time with Max. And we're going to let him just chase squirrels and videotape it. I think we did all right. Guys, that 1.1 miles was pretty straight uphill for the most part. We did it in 43 minutes. But, of course, we wasn't tracking very fast. And, of course, I kept losing my breath because I'm fat and out of shape. But please, take a time. Come out here and join us on the trails. And we'll see you on the next episode. Guys, have a wonderful day. Have an epic day. Day one is today. So make day one the start of your best day and your best life ever.